The Magic Chef MC77MW Countertop Microwave Oven is a compact 0.7 cubic foot unit that fits comfortably in tight kitchens, dorms, and office break rooms while still feeling roomy enough for everyday plates and bowls. Its 700-watt output and 10 selectable power levels give you fine control over reheating leftovers, cooking simple meals, and gently warming more delicate foods without overdoing them. 6 one-touch presets for staples like popcorn, pizza, beverages, and vegetables make it easy to get reliable results without constantly guessing at time and power settings. Express cook keys up to 6 minutes, along with an automatic defrost function and a clear kitchen timer, make this microwave especially convenient for quick snacks and busy weeknight routines. The rotating glass turntable, smooth white ceramic interior, and simple white exterior are all easy to wipe down, and the removable tray can go straight into the dishwasher for low-effort cleaning. A built-in child safety lock and the brand's long track record in household appliances add a reassuring layer of safety and reliability for families using this small microwave every day.